This video is sponsored by EVBASE, a premium EV and Tesla accessory shop. They have parts for Model Ys, Cybertrucks, Rivians, and all other EVs. So today I'll be installing these side mirrors on my new Tesla Model Y. Let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. In this box is some real carbon fiber mirror caps that I'll be putting on my Tesla Model Y Performance. Shout out to EVBASE for supplying these. So let's get into it. So before we get them installed, I wanted to show them to you. Now, these are the dry carbon fiber, or matte, some people would say. So I'll slide this out of here. How do you know these are real carbon fiber? Well, you flip it over and boom, you can actually see the carbon fiber in here. So these are very strong in comparison to the ABS ones. And they actually put some tape in here. They put it in there for you ahead of time because you'll need that to seal it onto the car. So you can tell this is real carbon fiber here. You can see the weave and everything in there. You can see how they put this together. So these will run you just under 200 bucks. There'll be a link in the description to grab these. And what else do you need to install these? Well, you're going to need a pry tool, and they've supply that for you. And then you're also going to need some adhesive promoter. So you're going to need that. They supply that for you. And then they also give you some extra really strong tape. Now, this is a clear film, but it's really strong. So I found the best way when you're installing things on your car and you're afraid they might fall off, you'll need a heating gun. Some people, I have a heating gun. Most people who have tool sheds have heating guns. But if you don't have a heating gun, just use a hair dryer. Believe it or not, that is going to heat these up enough to where when you put it on there, it is going to stay sealed to the car. So again, use the link in the description to make a decision there. But let's go put this on the car and show you what it looks like. Now this is the adhesion promoter. So you want to make sure you clean off the mirror cap, clean it off very well with some Windex or whatever you want to use your cleaning solution. Just make sure you clean it off very well and make sure it's dry too. And then we're going to put this on this entire area here, even though it's just going to be along the edges and here. I still put it over everything because I'm going to put some extra strips in here, but let's get this cleaned up. So when I'm dealing with chemicals, I like to make sure I wear protection. So you should too. So just make sure you have your fingers and everything protected, and put the adhesive put the adhesion promoter where the adhesive is going to be. Now right here, I'm using my heating gun to heat up the surface on the tape from this side here. And we're going to install it on the car. You don't want to touch anything on the inside when you're doing this because, trust me, it gets really sticky. So take the adhesive off the other side and then heat it up from this side. Now this will be a little warm to the touch, but I have big hands. I found that when doing this, go down as quick as possible because it's going to adhere fast. And then you just want to let this sit for a second, hold it in place, and make sure that it does not move. And just remember, it's adhesive along the edges here, so make sure to go all the way down. Do not hesitate because it is going to stick and you'll have to remove it. And once it's finished, you have a nice carbon fiber mirror cap. This should stay on the car with no problem, and you should be able to take this through car washes and everything else. Look how beautiful that looks. So once again, shout out to EVBASE for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. You'll see a link in the description to grab yours, and I'll see you in the next video.